All beautiful things start from heart. All bad things start from mind. So, never let the mind rule your heart. Let the heart rule your mind. You have learned so much and read 1,000 books. Have you ever read yourself? You have gone to mosques and temples. Have you ever visited your soul? You're busy fighting Satan. Have you ever fought your ill intentions? You have reached into the skies, but you have failed to reach what's in your heart. Bulleh Shah, Rahmatullah Alai, questions, and please do answer very honestly to yourself. Let me emphasize once again what Baba Bulleh Shah Rahmatullah Alai says. You who have read thousands of books of knowledge, have you ever tried to read your own self? Think about it and do it. Whatever you touch, yes, whatever you touch takes on your hue. Your eyes have caused a stir. Unveil yourself like the cloud swept moon when it breaks through. This dumbness is not a pose. For those who die before death can strike them, their life renew. Too many obstacles. Now take my hand and help me over them as if I flew. Dance, Bulleh, dance. Your love has come to you. Whatever you touch takes on your hue. What a beautiful poetry it is, with a deep meaning. The divine is found through ablutions. Surely frogs and fish would find him first. If the divine is hidden in jungles, the cattle would have discovered him by now. Oh Bulleh, the divine is found by those with pure and true heart. So make your heart pure and true like a child, free from all evils and malice, and see what happens. True devotion is for itself, not to desire heaven, not to fear hell. What say? Is there a point in it? Yes or no? Your prayers are your light. Your devotion is your strength. Sleep is the enemy of both. Your life is the only opportunity. Yes, your life is the only opportunity that life can give you. If you ignore it, if you waste it, you'll only turn to dust. Wanna make life eternal like all Wali Allahs? Then seek the truth and you shall find it. Wali Allahs treaded the path of Sufism, the Deen-e-Muhammadi, and finally they are eternal forever. Thing Baba Bulleh Shah Rahmatullah Alai says, repeating the name of the beloved, that's my creator, I have become the beloved myself. Whom shall I call the beloved now? So the love and the lover are not two, they are one.